Today, first of all, we will discuss about activity part related to previous topic. These are some questions of activity part. Try to solve it. Seema says that if we cut our forest, there will be no timber left for our future generation to construct houses or make furniture. Julie feels that the biggest impact of cutting forest will be on the Earth's climate. In your opinion, which of these two views is more correct? Give reason. From the environmental point of view, why is Chhattisgarh important for India? Now, third activity is, have pasture land in your area decreased? What could be the reason for this decrease? Are urban and rural population affected in the same way by the decrease? Okay children, now let us come to the continuation of chapter. Now let us discuss about soil. We will discuss about land resources. The first thing which comes in our mind is the soil and its fertility. Soil is the most important component of land resources. Soil is the thin top layer of earth in which vegetation grows. Soil is formed by the weathering of rocks. Temperature variations and vegetables play an important part in this process. After long time, fluctuation of water and temperature leads the break of rocks into smaller pieces. The fine particles of rocks mix with the remains of plants and animals. Over a long period of time, this mix gets converted to soil. Plants get their nutrition from the soil. Animals and other living creatures depend either directly or indirectly on plants for their food. Soil is also used for making bricks, utensils, toys. If we observe the foundation of a house, you can see that soil is spread in layer. These horizontal layers are called soil horizons. These horizons can be divided into three parts: organic layer, mineral layer, and bedrock layer. Now let us discuss about the different layers of soil. Okay children, now see this picture of soil horizon. Organic layer. Organic layer is the topmost layer in which O and A are included. The O layer contains decomposed remains of plants and animals. Below this layer, a layer is present which is known as mineral layer. The A layer is influenced by O layer because it is the rich in organic material. Agriculture activities take place in the organic layer, which is the layer where all forms of vegetation grown. That is why the organic layer is very important, but the organic layer is the most affected by the erosion. Organic layer is also affected by the pesticides used in agriculture. Mineral layer. This is the middle layer of the soil horizon. This layer consists of B layer. It contains very little organic matter. The particles which contains in mineral layer are much larger than the soil particles in the organic layer. The plants which contains deep roots only reaches this layer. For example, roots of tomato plant remain in organic layer, but mango trees reaches the mineral layer. Bedrock layer. Bedrock layer is the lowest layer which includes C and R layer. R is the lowest layer. It consists of unweathered rock. It breaks up to form C layer that consists of broken rocks. Children, our next topic is soil distribution in India. There are 6 types of soil which are commonly found in India. Alluvial soil is the main type of soil which spread across the river plains. This soil is very fertile and it is most suitable for agriculture. Most of the Chhattisgarh land is covered by the red and yellow soil. Red soil is formed by the weathering of ancient metamorphic rock in the Deccan Plateau. Red soil contains high iron oxide, so its color is red. The yellow color comes from the hydration of soil chemicals. Black soil is found in western states of India. This soil is suitable for cultivating cotton, wheat, etc. Black soil is made of very fine particles that have a very high moisture retention capacity. Laterite soil is found in the states where the monsoon rains are heavy. This soil develops in areas where there is a high temperature and high rainfall. Other soil includes the dry or desert soil which is found in Thar desert. It also includes forest soil of Himalayan ranges. Okay, thank you, children. I hope you all understood this topic. We will continue our remaining topic in our next class. Stay safe, stay home, stay safe. Till thank you.